Science and technology are evolving faster than ever, and every breakthrough is pushing the limits of what machines can do. The devices you're about to see don't just make work easier, they're completely changing the way entire industries operate. In today's Machines Visit episode, we're counting down some of the most incredible engineering creations ever built. Make sure you stick around because each machine is more impressive than the last. Starting off the list is the remarkable Brielmaier motor mower, widely considered one of the most unique mowing machines in the world. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary mower, but don't let its appearance fool you. This powerful machine is specifically designed to conquer steep slopes and extremely challenging terrain where conventional mowers simply can't operate. Its advanced drive system and specially designed lugged wheels provide exceptional traction on almost any type of soil. But here's what makes it truly stand out. It doesn't stop at mowing. With the addition of different attachments, it can instantly transform into a harvester, sprayer, or plow. Instead of buying several expensive machines, operators can perform multiple jobs using a single versatile system. Anyone involved in aviation knows that servicing a helicopter isn't nearly as simple as maintaining a regular vehicle. Since helicopters don't have conventional wheels, moving them safely around a hangar can be a difficult and time-consuming task. That's where Tiger Tugs comes in. This compact remote-controlled transporter slides underneath the helicopter, securely lifts it, and allows operators to move it with remarkable precision. Despite its relatively small size, it features an intelligent balance system along with a cross-tube support design that evenly distributes the aircraft's weight, minimizing the risk of damage while delivering outstanding maneuverability. Roof construction has always been one of the most demanding and dangerous jobs on any building site. Transporting heavy materials to elevated areas usually requires extra labor, additional equipment, and valuable time. The Aero RB400 roofwork system was built to solve exactly that problem. Designed specifically for roofing projects, this advanced trailer can raise its loading bucket up to 12 feet, allowing workers to quickly move materials from ground level directly to the roof. Powered by a reliable 13-horsepower diesel engine, it significantly improves efficiency while also creating a much safer working environment. Moving deep into the forestry industry, we find the impressive Komatsu forest machine. Equipped with a powerful 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, this machine is capable of handling nearly every stage of timber harvesting. From cutting massive trees to transporting heavy logs, it delivers outstanding productivity under the toughest conditions. Its excellent maneuverability, increased ground clearance, superior traction, and responsive steering give operators exceptional control even on rough terrain. Even more impressive, its enormous operating capacity allows multiple crane movements and harvesting functions to be performed simultaneously, all while maintaining surprisingly low fuel consumption. Anyone who owns or maintains boats understands how quickly marine growth can build up underneath the hull. Traditionally, cleaning the bottom of a boat requires cranes, lifting equipment, and a considerable amount of manual labor, making the entire process expensive and time-consuming. The drive-in boat washer offers a much smarter solution. Boat owners simply drive their vessel into the cleaning station, where powerful rotating brushes automatically clean the underside without lifting the boat out of the water. Within just a few minutes, the hull is thoroughly cleaned, reducing maintenance costs while saving both time and effort. Catching structural problems before they become major failures can save industries millions of dollars. That's exactly why the Gecko robotics inspection robot has become such a valuable tool. Using ultrasonic, visual, and magnetic lift-off inspection technologies, this robot scans power plants, boilers, oil tanks, pressure vessels, and other industrial structures to detect hidden deterioration long before serious damage occurs. By identifying these warning signs early, engineers can schedule preventive maintenance instead of dealing with costly breakdowns. Beyond inspections, the robot is also capable of assisting with cleaning, painting, and rust detection tasks. Keeping greenhouse roofs perfectly clean is another difficult maintenance challenge. To solve it, Verhagen developed an advanced roof cleaning system specifically designed for commercial greenhouses. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, this environmentally friendly machine uses only water while still delivering highly effective cleaning results. Equipped with multiple safety features and a computer-controlled operating system, it consistently provides reliable performance while protecting both workers and the environment. Agriculture is rapidly entering the age of automation, and John Deere's autonomous tractor is proof of that transformation. Delivering an impressive total output of around 500 kilowatts, this intelligent machine is designed to maximize productivity across a wide variety of farming operations. Depending on terrain conditions, it can be equipped with either traditional wheels or heavy-duty tracks. Its compact design allows it to work efficiently even in confined spaces, while its remote operation capabilities enable farmers to monitor and control the tractor without sitting inside the cab. Inspection and maintenance technology continues to evolve, and one of the most advanced solutions is the WTG maintenance system. Using a sophisticated 3-rope anchor system, robotic drones can safely access locations that would normally be dangerous or nearly impossible for workers to reach. Operators remain inside a fully equipped control vehicle, where they remotely manage both the drone and the winch system with exceptional precision. The result is faster inspections, improved safety, and significantly lower operational risk. The next machine looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie, but it's very real. Meet the Furion exoskeleton. Originally developed for military applications, this enormous robotic platform combines futuristic engineering with incredible mobility. Standing approximately 15 feet tall, 18 feet wide, and weighing nearly 8,000 pounds, it is built to handle some of the harshest environments imaginable. Its advanced skeletal frame and powerful drivetrain allow it to move across difficult terrain with remarkable stability, making it a serious contender for demanding military and industrial operations alike. Military logistics don't stop at land. They also extend across the sea. That's where the FHR trackway proves its value. This heavy-duty portable roadway creates a temporary bridge between ships and shore, allowing military vehicles and equipment to be loaded or unloaded quickly and efficiently. Built to withstand tremendous weight, the structure is strong enough to support helicopter landings and, in certain operations, can even serve as a temporary runway for fighter aircraft. Its strength and versatility make it an essential asset during rapid deployment missions. Up next is another remarkable engineering solution designed specifically for operations in shallow water. Next up is the Watermaster, an extraordinary amphibious machine that completely changes the way waterways are maintained. More than just a dredger, this multi-purpose powerhouse can handle dredging, piling, excavation, raking, and several other demanding tasks using a wide range of interchangeable attachments. But what really makes it stand out is the way it reaches places where ordinary machines simply can't. Equipped with its own propulsion system, the Watermaster can crawl across land before launching itself directly into the water. Once afloat, it can either propel itself through the water or stabilize its position using its heavy-duty legs, ensuring maximum precision even in difficult working conditions. Thanks to its rugged construction, advanced hydraulic system, and remote control capability, operators can perform complex projects safely and efficiently. Whether it's removing invasive aquatic vegetation, clearing floating debris, restoring riverbanks, strengthening shorelines through pile driving, or assisting with cable installation, the Watermaster proves that one intelligent machine can replace an entire fleet of specialized equipment, all while remaining surprisingly cost-effective. Protecting the oceans isn't just the responsibility of governments anymore. One company leading that fight is 4Ocean, whose mission is to tackle the growing plastic pollution crisis one piece of debris at a time. Their philosophy is simple. Even small actions can create massive change when enough people work together. To turn that idea into reality, the company employs more than 200 full-time crew members and professional captains dedicated to removing marine debris every single day. Supporting them are over 350 artisans who craft products that help fund these cleanup efforts. With a fleet of more than 17 operational vessels and multiple river boom systems designed to intercept waste before it reaches the sea, 4Ocean continues to prove that fighting ocean pollution requires both innovation and persistence. Another organization making headlines around the world is the Ocean Cleanup, a nonprofit behind what many consider the largest ocean cleanup project ever attempted. Rather than simply collecting floating trash, the organization focuses on solving the problem at its source, while simultaneously removing the plastic already polluting the oceans. Their ambitious goal is nothing short of extraordinary: to eliminate up to 90% of floating ocean plastic. To achieve this, they've developed massive cleanup systems capable of collecting debris from the infamous Great Pacific Garbage Patch. One of their most significant breakthroughs, System 002, successfully demonstrated large-scale plastic collection in 2021. Their innovative design uses a giant U-shaped floating barrier that naturally guides plastic into a retention zone where it can be collected efficiently without harming marine life. Advanced steering systems help target areas with the highest plastic concentration, while ongoing research into low-carbon fuels reflects the organization's commitment to reducing environmental impact. Beyond the open ocean, they also aim to stop plastic before it reaches the sea by targeting nearly 1,000 rivers worldwide, a strategy that could prevent roughly 80% of river-borne plastic pollution within just a few years. Whether it's a home, a farm, or a commercial facility, pests can quickly become a costly problem. That's where the HTI Atom 41000 speed sprayer comes in. Engineered for maximum efficiency, this advanced spraying machine combines a high-performance aluminum alloy axial fan with a triple-structured blower to deliver outstanding coverage and precision. Operators can easily adjust the airflow to match different environments, ensuring effective treatment under varying conditions. Comfort and safety have also been given equal importance. The enclosed cabin features air conditioning, heating, air filtration, an audio system, and a rear-view camera, providing operators with a comfortable workspace while maintaining excellent visibility throughout every operation. Composting large amounts